right, guys, thank you for watching. I'm Eve. I'm on the garden this morning. I've been mulching and transplant flowers, and right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a yucca tree and put it in pot, put it in 15-gallon pot, because I feel like this is the yucca. I'm going to cut this branch and put it in that pot. I did that last week. Let me give you the result of the one I did last week. So far they're doing good. Yucca don't die. Yucca not dying. Those are the results I did last week. You see, they're pushing out new leaves now, and they're gonna keep me washing. Which is what I'm looking for. And the same thing, I'm going to do the same thing over here, because I don't want that yucca is. You guys see now, even when it's hot in the garden, the sun is not on me, because I make a lot of shade in the garden. That's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to cut it. Let me see if I see my knife. Oh. I think yes, that's enough. I'm going to cut it right here, and she's gonna push out some branch over there. Let me see. Oh yeah, she fell down. All right. This is it now. I'm going to get it, put it in the pot. I will show you guys the result.